Well, I'm pretty sure we've been through this during our DIYs and wish for a better, safer and stronger solutions, and to also avoid messy wires and drilling the walls and getting ourselves out from these sticky situations. Hi, I have with me the Scotch Extreme double-sided mounting tape. It is labeled Extreme because it can provide superior bond to up to 6.7 kilos on all kinds of surfaces. And something very special, Scotch unboxing scissors with dual purpose design. Well, let's check them out in action. We have the blister pack of the Scotch Extreme double-sided mounting tape, perfect for small-time DIYers looking for industrial strength adhesive. It says here 1 meter holds 6.7 kilos and this particular one is 19 mm width. And for heavier DIYers like you and me, we can opt for this 4 meter pack. And this one is rather interesting, a Scotch unboxing scissors, and it's 7 inches in length. And you can see here it's 2 tools in one, made possible by this latch here, and it's dual purpose design and non-stick, so it cuts smoothly. Perfect for these double-sided tapes and all kinds of usages as well. So you can see here the instruction, you can turn the mode, okay, to become a box cutter or a scissors. Often during DIYs, we have the right tools and products. However, the application wasn't done right, causing problems to the end result. So let's look at some do's and don't. Identifying the type of surface is very important. The double-sided tape works well on walls and metal, glass, and also wood. However, for wood, make sure that it is painted and treated wood, as untreated wood will attract moisture and it will be a problem mounting them. Make sure that surfaces are clean, wipe it out to remove dust and oil before you attach the mounting tape. And for surfaces to mount, make sure that previous double-sided tape, especially those cheap unbranded ones, are removed. You can use rubbing alcohol and clean it up and make sure that there's no oil residue and your fingers are clean before we apply the mounting tape. Now, the direction of the mounting tape plays an important role to keep the product up onto the wall or the surface that you're sticking. So always make sure that the mounting tape is mounted vertically onto the item to provide more strength. Once again, make sure that fingers are clean and apply even pressure to the tape when mounting it to the item that you want to mount. Well, just 2 sides will be good enough using the rule of thumb of 1 meter holding up 6.7 kilos. So this metal box that I'm mounting, it's around 2.5 kilos with the electronics inside. So this 2-piece should be good enough. And a tip for you to easily remove the backing tape, you can pinch the corner of the tape a little bit and this will lift up a little surface and enable you to easily remove the backing tape. I'm mounting this metal box onto a painted wall. So of course I make sure that the wall is clean and not dusty. I just wipe it with cloth. And now after applying it, I'll just apply pressure for like 30 seconds and to make sure that the mounting tape is contacting evenly onto the wall. Alright, so of course it's best to leave it 24 hours for stronger bond. However, I'm testing it to the extreme, so I'm hanging this 4-liter water bottle to make a total weight of 6 kilos and it's holding up well. For glass surfaces, it's the same thing as well. Make sure it's clean. And now I'm mounting this plastic tool holder onto it. Alright, apply pressure for 30 seconds and I'm testing it to the extreme as well with a 4-liter water on it. You can see from the back here that it is holding up well. Do take note that the recommended depth for mounting items is around 10 cm. This one is almost double it. It's because I'm just testing the industrial strength to the extreme. Do add more tape if needed. To remove mounted items, you can use fishing string or my favorite, dental floss, as dental floss are thinner and also just as strong. The process to get the mounted items removed,
You just need a good length of the dental floss, and what you do is this sawing motion while slowly and gently going downwards to remove the mounting tape from the surface. So this is what's happening from behind. So you can see that the sawing motion is cutting through the mounting tape. And once you have done going through all the way down, you'll be able to remove the items from the mounted surface. So gently just remove them and you'll see some residue of the mounting tape on the surface. To remove the mounting tape, here's another good tip. You just need to pinch one end of it and pull downwards, vertically downwards, and you can easily stretch it and it will lift up from the surface. Next, I'm going to install this IP camera onto the wooden door. This door is a painted door, so it will provide a superior bond with the mounting tape. So give it a little bit of pressure, and yet again I'm putting it into an extreme test by even hanging all my clothes on it, and it's proven to be strong. How about for outdoor usages? Well, the 3M Scotch Extreme, providing industrial strength, can do the job as well. So for this letterbox, I make sure that the surface to mount is flat. I remove all these protruding plastic pieces. Make sure that the surfaces are clean. If not, just wipe it down with cloth and water or rubbing alcohol to remove the dust. The same steps to get it mounted. Press upon it to make sure that it's holding very well, and voila, we are done. And to test its industrial strength, I give it some water test and some stress test, and seems like it's working fine outdoors as well.
Well, hopefully you all learned a thing or two about using mounting tapes properly and choosing the right ones. If you're interested in these Scotch Extreme double-sided mounting tapes in Malaysia, you can just head on to Lazada and claim up to 15% off. The term to search for is 3M Scotch Extreme. And hopefully with these tips, you can then properly mount all your mounting stuff. Well, stay tuned for more product reviews and fixing guides over here in this channel. Alright, bye!